Welcome to Ljubljana, Slovenia's charming capital. Though one of Europe's smallest capitals, this city is packed with culture, history, and a laid-back vibe. From picturesque streets along the Ljubljanica River to its vibrant old town, Ljubljana offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and youthful energy. In today's video, we're going to explore the 10 best places to visit in Ljubljana. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Old Town. Ljubljana's Old Town sits between the steep hill of Ljubljana Castle and the flowing Ljubljanica River. It is a favorite spot for visitors, full of narrow cobbled streets, hidden corners, and well-preserved medieval buildings. At the heart of the old town is Mesni Trg, where you'll find the 15th century town hall and the beautiful Raba fountain, a famous symbol of the city. Nearby, you can explore the Cathedral of St Nicholas and the lively central market. The old town's colorful buildings house cafes, restaurants, bars, and shops. With its relaxed atmosphere and many sights, it's a great place to explore for a day or two. 2. Ljubljana Castle. Ljubljana Castle sits on a hill, overlooking the old town and surrounded by trees. It is one of the city's top attractions. Archaeologists found that people have lived on this hill since at least 1200 BC. The castle itself was built in the 11th century, but many parts were added later. The castle features different architectural styles. Visitors can explore the Slovenian history exhibition to learn about the country's past. The Chapel of St. George has beautiful frescoes, while the watchtower offers stunning views of the city. With its rich history and amazing sights, Ljubljana Castle is a must-visit in Slovenia. 3. Triple Bridge. Triple Bridge is actually 3 bridges next to each other, crossing the Ljubljanica River and linking Prešeren Square to the old town. Designed by architect Jože Plečnik, the bridges have lovely stone railings and look magical at night when softly lit. At first, there was only one bridge for road traffic, but in 1930, 2 pedestrian bridges were added on each side. This unique design may seem unusual, but it makes the bridge even more special. Triple Bridge is one of Ljubljana's top sights. Its elegant look and historic charm make it perfect for photos, and it's a must-visit when exploring the city. 4. Prešeren Square. Prešeren Square is the main square in Ljubljana, surrounded by beautiful buildings with different architectural styles. Many cultural events and festivals take place here. The square is named after Franz Prešeren, Slovenia's national poet, whose bronze statue stands at one end. It is a spacious area, located next to the Ljubljanica River. One of its main attractions is the Baroque Church of the Annunciation. You can also see stunning Vienna secessionist-style halls and palaces. Another highlight is the famous Triple Bridge, which connects the square to other parts of the city and offers great views. 5. Cathedral of St Nicholas. One of the most famous landmarks in Ljubljana, the Cathedral of St Nicholas stands out with its green dome and twin bell towers rising above the city's rooftops. The present church, built in 1707, features beautiful Baroque architecture, but earlier churches in Gothic and Romanesque style stood here since at least 1262. The real beauty lies inside, where visitors can admire stunning frescoes by Giulio Quaglio and a breathtaking dome painting by Matevž Langis. The church also has detailed stucco work, sculptures, and paintings that tell the story of Christianity in Slovenia, making it a must-see for anyone exploring the city. 6. Ljubljanica River. The Ljubljanica River flows through the center of Old Town Ljubljana. In the past, it was an important route for trade and supplies. Today, it is the heart of the city's social life. Along the riverbanks, you will find lively outdoor cafes, restaurants, and colorful buildings. Street markets bring energy to the area, and tourist boats sail up and down the river, offering great views of the city. People love to walk along the embankments, enjoy the relaxing atmosphere, and take in the beautiful scenery. The river has changed over time, but it remains a key part of Ljubljana's charm and culture. 7. Postojna Cave. The Postojna Cave is a stunning underground world in Slovenia, filled with tunnels, caverns, and beautiful rock formations like stalactites and stalagmites. It is one of the country's most amazing natural wonders and a top tourist attraction. The cave stretches for 12.5 miles, 20 kilometers, along the Pivka River. Visitors can explore its breathtaking galleries and admire the shapes created over thousands of years. This vast cave system is famous for its unique beauty and adventure, making it a must-visit place in Slovenia. A train ride takes visitors deep inside, where they can see nature's incredible underground artwork. 8. Lake Bled. Lake Bled is one of Slovenia's most beautiful and famous destinations. Located about 35 kilometers, 22 miles from Ljubljana, the capital. Surrounded by mountains and forests, the lake has crystal clear waters and a small island in the middle. On the island stands a charming church, which visitors can reach by traditional wooden boats called pletna. Overlooking the lake is Bled Castle, a historic fortress offering stunning views. Lake Bled is perfect for relaxing walks, boat rides, and even swimming in summer. The peaceful atmosphere and fairy tale scenery make it a must-visit spot for travelers exploring Slovenia. 9. Lake Bohinj, Slovenia's largest lake, is surrounded by stunning views of the Julian Alps and clear glacial waters. The area is famous for its charming lakeside church and beautiful nature. Whether in winter, spring, summer, or fall, the surroundings offer the perfect setting for outdoor activities. Whether you enjoy hiking, swimming, or simply relaxing, Lake Bohinj provides a peaceful and scenic environment for everyone to enjoy year-round. Its mix of nature and history makes it a must-see destination for all visitors. 10. Predjama Castle. Predjama Castle is a famous Slovenian attraction built into the mouth of a cave on a tall limestone cliff. This Renaissance-style castle is now a museum with many interesting features. Visitors can explore a spooky dungeon, discover 16th century treasures, and learn about the castle's secret hiding spot, Erasm's Nook. This place is named after Erasm Luger, a Slovenian hero often called the country's Robin Hood. Erasm hid here to escape from the authorities, making the castle even more intriguing for tourists.